Hi, this is Shannon at MarineMax over in Fort Walton Beach, and today we're going to be looking at this new 2021 Harris 230 Solstice that we just got in. This one is equipped with a double bimini, which is great for a sunny day. You can put the biminis up, or if you need shade by the end of the day, which most people do, you can put both biminis out and it will cover the whole boat basically. Of course, your side entry docking door right here. As we walk to the stern of the boat, you can see the railing, the nice ski tow bar. Of course, this one's equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. It's got your nice wide ladder. Most boats only have a smaller ladder right here, which is really nice that Harris puts these wider ladders when you're getting up and getting down, and it kind of angles back, and just little things like that make Harris a step above the other brands. Okay, now we're up on top of the boat. We're in the back here, and this boat has a great single lounger right here, which can be laid back or laid all the way down to accommodate naps while you're out on the water. If you want to beach up and take a nap, that's great, or lounging to watch the kids playing in the water. You've got a built-in cooler up under this seat. You've got a whole storage unit under this seat. More storage up under here. Your batteries are under the corner back over there. This boat is equipped with the 2 captain's chairs. You've got your drink holders over here for your companion with speaker built in. Ergonomic center console. You got your wireless phone charger right next to you. Fly-by-wire throttle, which is smooth as your car. You got the 7-inch SIM-rad on the dash to tell you which way you're going or which way you have been. Ski locker in-floor storage ski locker right here for all your equipment and your fishing rods and things like that. Armrests on the seats built in with cup holders. Plenty of cup holders and more speakers up here, with plug-ins for the phone up here in front. And then of course you've got the full brace on the front door to protect you and the little ones when you're out and about, so you don't fall through the boat. Again, this is a 230 Solstice. I'm Shannon at MarineMax down at Fort Walton. If you'd like to take a ride on this boat or any other boat, give me a call at 850-630-5459. Thanks.